Okay, so using the tablespoon, spread the pizza sauce. Okay, the pizza sauce. That's what we call in a circular motion. Tama. So, ano ba ang circular motion? So, clockwise, ikot. That's how you ikot. Clockwise. Wag po lagyan ng sauce. Okay, so are you done? Where's your mixed cheese? Where's your mixed cheese? Oh, hold the mixed cheese na. Nakakagigilip portion. But wait lang. Hindi po natin use the half portion of mixed cheese. Hindi po siya lahat na ilalagay. Okay? So sprinkle it from outer to inner portion. Sprinkle po. Huwag ka na po bilangin ha. Baka mga 10 p.m. po tayo matapos nila. Sprinkle po like that from out to inner. Ayan. They're eating the cheese na. Okay, sige. Where's the pineapple tidbits? Pineapple all over the pizza dough. Okay, so same with sprinkling the mixed cheese from outer to inner. Yes po. That's your question?
I don't like.
Me too. Not pepperoni. Anyway, for JPM, just give it to Lola. Okay, again. Distribute the pineapple tidbits from outer to inner portion. Okay. Pinapamak mo ang pineapple. Ayun, cheese. Who loves pineapple? Raise your hand. Who loves pineapple? Oh, we have a pineapple lover. You really love pineapple? Yes, okay. Yung dito po, naubos na. Hinain na daw. To follow na lang daw yung iba. Standard procedure on making pizza. Tama mo ba kay AJ? Kay AJ, very shy. Very shy naman. Okay, so this is the, can you show the AJ, the finished product. Okay, so this is the final product after you put the cheese, the pineapple tidbits, and pineapple. Are you done? Are you done? Okay, so ano po yung the remaining cheese, mixed cheese. Okay, sprinkle it again all over the pizza. Okay, so sprinkle it. You can create AJ. Wow. So, how do you sprinkle the cheese? Kuya AJ, slightly sprinkling. Okay, so we got the pizza with the remaining mixed cheese. Okay, very good. And then, diba, it's not finished. And let's wait for the others. Okay, so I have a question again. Okay, I have a question, guys. What's the purpose of putting cheese?
Para pag niluto yung pizza, hindi siya mabiburo. Hindi siya hiwalay sa pinaka.
Slightly correct. No. Okay, tama naman. Tama sinabi ni Kuya AJ. Para hindi magkahiwa-hiwalay. Or, para ma-hold yung... Nalagay na po yung remaining mixed cheese. Are you done? They're sleeping. Don't sleep yet! Ate Aizen and Kuya AJ can help them po nakunin yung mga pizza. Okay, so Kuya AJ will get your pizza. And kahit paki-include na lang